In this workbook, we have service data that shows the date of each work order, and we'd like to create a summary to show the number of work orders each month comparing 2013 and 2014. So we'll see how we can set up a pivot table to summarize the data, and then a pivot chart that shows the years. Here's a sheet with all the raw data. We've got it set up as an Excel table. Each work order has a number, and we can see the request date and the date the work was done. First step will be to create a pivot table from this data to summarize things. Click anywhere in this table, and on the Insert tab, I'll click Pivot Table. This list is a formatted Excel table, a named table, so we can see that it's picked up the name automatically. And so if we add new records, this will expand to include those. And I'd like this chart on an existing worksheet. I'll click in here, click this box. I would like it on Service Chart 1, cell A3. Close that, click OK. So here's the empty pivot table, and I'm going to put in the work date, and then I'll put the work order into the values, and it will show up as a count. So now we have everything summarized by date, and I'm going to create a chart to see how it looks now. So I'll go back to the Insert tab, I'll click Pivot Chart, and it's suggesting a column chart, but I would like a line. And I'd like this type of line, and I'll click OK. And it's put in a very bumpy line chart for me, so it's charting each day. And I would like it by month and year, so I'm going to have to group the dates. Right now all the dates are listed individually, so I'll right-click on a date and group. I'd like them grouped by years and months, so I'll select both of those. Click OK, and now the chart looks much better. It's showing a single line, and we can see the months across the bottom, 2013 followed by 2014. We'd like to compare year to year though, so I need to create a single line for each year. And to do that, I'm going over to the pivot table field list, and I can see years and work date here in the rows. And to get two separate lines, I'm going to drag years up into columns, and when I let go, it creates a line for each year. So that's the layout we want. You can do a couple of other things to make this a little easier to read and more appealing to look at. So here where it says count of work order, if I go to the pivot table and type work orders, and I press enter, that shows up in the pivot chart as well. And if I don't want this button at the bottom, I can right-click on it and hide the axis field buttons. For more Excel tips and tutorials, and to download the sample file for this video, please visit my Contextures website at www.contextures.com.